Hello students. So today the topic of this video is Calcutta University Law Entrance Syllabus. যেখানে I will be discussing the maths syllabus in details. So the first question which will come to your mind is, sir, is maths really a part of the syllabus? Last 2-3 বছর ধরে we are hearing a few things that maths is no longer a part of the syllabus. Is this true or false? আমি খুব ক্লিয়ারলি বলে দিতে চাইছি, এরম ভাবে স্পেসিফিক্যালি কোথাও বলা নেই that maths is no longer a part of the Calcutta University Law Entrance Test syllabus. So my humble suggestion to all my students who will be appearing for the entrance exam is, maths ta dekhe newa is a better option rather than ignoring maths completely. Because maths is a part of the syllabus in every competitive exam which we see all over the country. ঠিক আছে? এরপরে we need to keep one thing in mind, that by maths we mean basic maths যেটা আমরা class 10 level অবধি follow করেছি. That means difficult topics like trigonometry or calculus যেগুলো class 11 and 12 এ আমরা follow করেছিলাম, that is not a part of the syllabus. So maths bolte we refer to the basic problem solving abilities jeta was taught to us till class 10. Okay, so this video will be divided into 3 parts. First part I will be discussing the best available book in the market from where you should practice the chapters. ঠিক আছে? Second part of the video, I will be discussing the number of expected questions. And third part of the video, 12 most important chapters from the maths syllabus. So let us get started. The first part of the video, best available book in the market. So right now an image is visible on your screen and the name of the book is Arihant Publishers First Track Objective Arithmetic. This book is available in online platforms like Amazon or Flipkart and it will be costing roughly 400 rupees. Second part of the video, number of questions. Now the entrance question paper will be of 100 marks. Total marks koto 100. Out of these 100 marks, I expect 7 থেকে 8 questions will be coming from maths. 7 to 8 or 9 questions may be coming from maths. So ignoring the maths is never a right idea. You should go through the important maths chapters. ঠিক আছে? So the third part of the video, 12 most important maths chapters. ঠিক আছে? Now I am going to call out the names of these 12 chapters. Chapter 1, Number System. Chapter 2, HCF and LCM. Chapter 3, Simplification by using the BODMAS rule. Chapter 4, Average. Chapter 5, Percentage. Chapter 6, Profit and Loss questions. Chapter 7, Simple Interest. Chapter 8, Ratio and Proportion. Chapter 9, Unitary Method. Chapter 10, Speed, Time, Distance. Chapter 11, Linear Equations. Chapter 12, Problem based on ages. Mane, the age of the son is X and the father is 3 times the age of his son. তাহলে father এর age হবে 3x. So these type of questions will be coming. So in this video, I have discussed the best available book in the market. I have discussed number of questions which you can expect and I have discussed the 12 most important chapters which are a part of your entrance syllabus. Eta follow kore if you practice, then you will definitely be able to clear the Calcutta University Law Entrance exam. Thank you. Namaskar. নমস্কার।